Hello guys, this is Ivan here, and as you know, Fridays during the weekend we have always some weekend promos. So we have also today. Today it is a very simple promo. Please stay here a few minutes and you will find out. At the moment we are preparing to have a trade with my strategy number 3. As I said, my strategy number 3 is available only until the end of month, and then I will move it from my web page. You see, the trade has been opened automatically because price touched sell stop level, and now I will decide about take profit. I will put here at the lowest point and stop loss at the previous candle few pips up. So this is how we are taking the trade, but why we are taking the trade, and so I will not explain because this is of course my private secret strategy, and it is available only next 7 days more. And what is the best news for you, today and this weekend you can get it free as a gift, as a bonus. So now I will explain about my promo. You just go to FOREX-PROTOOLS.com, and here you will see all my indicators, all my expert advisors. So the promo is about this. I am putting two packages with two unique prices. First package is you can get any two indicators of your choice, so trendy, trend lock, turbo hybrid, or V20 plus, the best one, or any other indicator, including the binary reaper. Also, binary reaper is not on my web, but you can get it in this promo. So any two indicators of your choice during the weekend is 109 euro. 109. Or maybe you would like to trade with expert advisors. This is expert advisor. You see that we made $3,000 only with this. Yes, the last trade was lost, but we are in plus $3,000. Or maybe turbo hybrid trader. This is indicator, turbo hybrid indicator, and this is only expert advisor. Also, you see we are in the money about $2,000. Or any robo scalper, reactor scalper, engulfing, ADEX turbo trader, X turbo, and the famous trendy expert advisor. So in this promo, any two expert advisors you get for 159 euro. Not one, but two. And for both packages, so if you buy package number 1, two indicators for 109, or second package for two expert advisors, 159, you get for the last time until it is available my strategy number 3 as a bonus, free of charge. So you get this, because next week it will be not available anymore. So this weekend I am giving you a special gift. So any package, number 1 or 2, whatever you buy, you get it for free. And the only condition is that you are subscribed here. So if you are not subscribed here, please don't ask. Please don't ask for this amazing offer, because for 109 euro you get 2 indicators, your choice, plus my strategy, or for only 159 you get any 2 indicators, any 2 expert advisors. You see, even if you buy these 2, you save 70-80%. Imagine this is 389, the best trend trader in market. But you get this, let's say, and this is the 2 best. Altogether they are over 650 euros. You get it for 159 only. And that is not all, you get this as a gift, as a bonus. This weekend only, starting with today. So guys, this is the best I can do for you. If you only are subscribed here, then you can use this promo. So I am offering you even more than 80% discount if you calculate all free with this gift. If you are not subscribed, it is click here, leave your email, click here. It is free. And also you will be receiving all my promos, all updates, anything. You will not miss anything more. And this is the condition, only the condition that you can get this promo. If you are not subscribed, you can always check here special offers what we have currently. So this is an old one, you see the date. It will be erased today, and the new one, which I explained now, will be here in, I don't know, 1-2 hours maybe. And I remind you that we have one steady offer, in which you can get, if you like my products, all my indicators, or all my expert advisors, or all my products for a very, very special offer. Plus bonuses, signal service for free for your lifetime, and my private strategy number 2, which is not anymore here in the offer. So only here you can get it. So guys, it would be all. See you next time. Bye bye.